right, time to feed these hungry Steam Deck fans. They want their news. All right, I got them. I got them. I got them. I got them. Okay. All right, let's do this. Let's see here. Let's see. What do we got here? Oh, by the way, hello viewers. Another beautiful day. Yeah. Hope your five senses work, health, and strength is good. Or excellent. All right, now let's get this out the way real quick. Let's see here. Okay. What do we got here for you? Let's see. Okay. Proton. Okay. Okay, let's see. Proton 9.0 through 4. Oh, they came. Woo wee. What a list. All right. Okay, let's do this. It says here a huge new Proton 9.0 through 4 updates for Steam Deck and Linux in need of testing. Ready to bring improved compatibility with Windows games to Steam Deck and desktop Linux? Valve has a Proton 9.0 through 4 release candidate in need of testing. Confused on Proton? Then it says check out beginner's guide. It says this pull in a lot of improvements from recent updates to Proton Experimental, which Valve constantly update our Proton hotfix for specific games. It's just a change though, as the list is only tentative, as Valve may add or remove some notes based on any issues found. And what do we got here? Let's see. Valve lists these as newly playable. The APB Reloaded Conquer Blade, this guy for a complete hardship demo, Star Quest Sniper Elite, Nazi Zombie Army 2, Test Drive Unlimited, Solar Crown, Total War Shogun, Warhammer 40k, Space Marines 2, and Welcome to Dust Down. And it says pull all these other fixes and improvement. And it says fix for Final Fantasy 16 having low FPS due to excessive DLL lockup. Fix Final Fantasy 16 not allowing display in settings. Fix keyboard input and arrival of Ether 2. Chroma Cell crashing on launch on AMD GPUs. Support for NVIDIA Optical Flow API and DLSS 3 frame generation. Dragon Age the Veilguard displaying warning about being installed on a spinning drive. Fix Crazy Taxi random crashes when starting a game. Add warning in Proton logs when running on Steam with low max/map count. Add a warning in Proton logs when running. No, wait a minute. No, fix a single game not working in Star Wars Jedi Knight 2 Jedi Outcast. Fix hard reset or redux on Shadow Warrior crashing with AMD GPUs. Fix Skull and Bones not exiting cleanly on system with NVIDIA GPUs. Fix Dark and Darker not being playable after game updates. Fix EA desktop app setup not being configurable. Improve video playback in March of Empire and DMC3 Special Edition. Fix trigger button not registering in I Expect You to Die. Fix Proton 9.0 regression. Multiplayer works again in Hotshot Racing. Fable Craft is playable again. I Expect You to Die is playable again. Star Wars Knights of Old Republic no longer launched to a black screen when in full screen. Marlowe's Briggs and the Mask of Death is playable again. B-17 Flying Fortress Mighty 8th Redux is playable again. Games now launch on correct screen on setups with multiple monitor correct to multiple GPU. Fix Yakuza 3 and Yakuza 4 not being playable on some setups. Yakuza 6 crash trying playing Puyo Puyo minigame. Knowledge or no lady crashing about 10 minutes after launch. Multiplayer in Spellforce 3 Versus Edition. Font rendering in Spellforce 3 Versus Edition. Mod support in Doom Eternal. Mary Skelter 2 stuttering on launch. The final not starting with non-English locale. Traditional Chinese font rendering in Mishiro Symphony HD Sena Edition. Korean input in Diablo 4. New Unreal Engine games trying to install redistributable on each launch. Astral Accent hanging when unplug a controller. Playback of videos in Curse of Brotherhood. Controller support in Clash of Crust. FPS drops in Red Dead Redemption 2 when keys are pressed. Hunt Showdown 1896 failing to start after a recent game update. Full screen and Dog Brew on Steam Deck. Support for Battle Server in Ages of Empire 2 Definitive Edition. Voice chat in For Honor and Uno. Proton's not setting priority correctly for new threads. Unreal Engine crash report client not launching properly. Improve loading times in Pharaoh's Rebirth. Enable Exilia for multiplayer prerequisite installation can now be done with a controller. Fix issue causing no audio being played while Microsoft Flight Simulator display developer logs. And then what it says, update Exilia to 0.4.4 and enable it to Trackmania United Forever, Trackmania Nations Forever, Oddworld Strangers, Wrath HD, Fallout New Vegas, Warriors All-Star. Update Wine Mono 9.3.1. Update DXVK to version 2.5.1. Update DXVK NavPi to version 0.7.1. And then update it's 94 GAF B59A8E841B. Update VKD3D Proton to version 2.13.219 G657F81B0F6DA. Update VKD3D shaders to VKD3D 1.4 plus a hack. And for giving feedback, Valve asked to report issues that are new to specific 9.0 release candidate that you don't see in Proton 9.0 through 3. And yeah, that's it in a nutshell. So Proton, okay, got one more piece of Proton news here. Got you guys covered. Let's see here. One more piece of news in Proton. Let's see here. Here's the other one. Dev of Proton Shrek for older GPUs has forked DXVK to backport game setting, improve compatibility. The developer of interesting in Proton Sarek project to help Linux gamers with older GPUs play more game has now forked DXVK to helpfully improve things even further. And it says from the GitHub page, this repository was created to support users with Vulkan capable GPUs that do not meet the 1.3 requirement of the current build. My goal is to ensure that everyone can benefit from the nice performance of DXVK, even if their hardware is slightly older. Additionally, the project is intended to be integrated into Proton Shrek. The main idea is to backport quality of life patches per game and configuration from the latest version to 1.10.x branch. Speaking over email, the developer told me I have already backported and updated around 40 per game configuration, and a release should be available soon around the start to mid-December. This release will support both standard DXVK and async version with both integrated under Proton Shrek. Nice to see Valve continue to pushing their official Proton forward. It often needs most update to date drivers and the latest Vulkan support. So those of you with older GPUs can still benefit from getting a better experience and not being left behind thanks to Proton Sarek. All right. What else we got here? All right. Let's see. Anything else on the news front? Okay. That's it. So that's all the news I got to report on the Proton front. Hope that was able to help you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Crystal, Star Wars, Star Trek, Go. Peace.